Hello, future stars of Ghana. Welcome to our channel, where education meets excellence. Are you ready to conquer the 2025 Wassce? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll be going through the timetable, subject by subject, to help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's dive right in. According to the Ghanaian Wassce 2025 timetable, here are the dates and subjects you need to know. Make sure to review each subject thoroughly and practice consistently. Don't let any topic catch you off guard. Take note of the dates, and plan your study schedule accordingly. Alright, so as you prepare for your exams, remember that hard work and determination are key. Stay focused, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Review your notes regularly, practice past questions, and stay organized. You got this. You've prepared well, and you're ready to shine. Believe in yourself, and don't let exam stress get the best of you. Take deep breaths, stay calm, and show the world what you're made of. To stay updated on study tips, exam prep, and more, subscribe to our channel now. We'll be sharing valuable content to help you succeed in your exams and beyond. Hit that subscribe button, and join our community of future stars. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and classmates. Let's work together to make your Wassce success a reality. Keep learning, keep pushing, and you'll shine bright. Best of luck on your exams, and we'll see you in the next video. Are you ready to ace your Wassce? If you're looking for a supportive community to help you prepare for your exams, I've got just the thing for you. I'm hosting a study group to help you tackle challenging subjects and stay on top of your game. If you're interested in joining, simply click on the link in the description below to join my WhatsApp group. In this group, we'll be sharing study materials, discussing important topics, and providing support to help you achieve your goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to connect with fellow students and get the help you need to succeed. Join the group now and let's work together to make your Wassce success a reality. The link is in the description below.